guys, this is Maine Cooks. For today, magluluto tayo ng special goto. Bagay na bagay itong comfort food ngayong tag-ulan. Very easy and very affordable. Let's start! When making any type of lugaw, some people think they need to add more rice. But this 1.5 cup of rice can serve up to 8 to 10 packs already. Guys, if you have a pressure cooker at home, much better. Mas makakatipid kayo sa gas kasi kapag may pressure cooker, mas madaling lumambot ang ating tuwalya or ox tripe. Ating special goto. This is best served with egg, green onions, toasted garlic, calamansi, or many more toppings that you want. Try this recipe now. Enjoy!